Hello there, and welcome back. What we're going to do in this video is solve the equation sine of x equals 1/4, where x is between 0 and 360 degrees, not including 360 degrees. So in other words, one full rotation of the unit circle starting at 0 degrees. So since 1/4 is not the value of sine that corresponds to a special angle, 30, 45, or 60, what we're going to have to do to solve this equation is to approximate the solutions by using the inverse sine function. So we know by the properties of inverse trig functions that x is equal to the inverse sine of 1/4, which to the nearest degree is 14 degrees. Okay, so that means we've discovered one of our solutions. Now we know that given a positive ratio, there are two possible angles for which sine of x could be equal to that positive ratio. Now, the inverse sine function returns a value in the first quadrant when the argument is positive. So measuring 14 degrees, we know that's about right there, probably a little bit bigger than it should be, but at least we can see the effect of it there. And we also know that sine returns a positive value if the angle is terminates in the second quadrant. So that means this is my other solution here. But now what we need is the reference angle, but we already know that that's 14 degrees because any angle in the first quadrant that is a solution is the reference angle in any other quadrant. So if the reference angle is 14 degrees, that means this is 180 minus 14 degrees, which is 166 degrees. And remember, these are all approximate solutions because the 14 is rounded. So x is approximately equal to 14 degrees or 166 degrees. And that's every solution on the interval 0 to 360.